how a beginner will start reading practice in English. Learning to read in English as a beginner might feel overwhelming at first, but with the right approach, it can be an enjoyable and rewarding journey. In this guide, we'll break down a step-by-step reading practice plan, covering everything from the alphabet and phonics to advanced reading strategies. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to improve your reading skills, build vocabulary, and understand English texts more easily. Why is reading important for English learners? Reading is one of the most powerful ways to improve vocabulary, grammar, and comprehension skills. When you read in English, you learn new words in context instead of just memorizing lists. Understand sentence structure and grammar naturally. Improve pronunciation by recognizing patterns in spelling. Boost confidence in writing and speaking. Even if you're a complete beginner, reading can be fun and easy if you start with the right methods. Step 1. Start with the basics, alphabet and phonics. 1.1. Learn the English alphabet. If you're new to English, start with the 26 letters of the alphabet. Each letter has a name A, B equals B, C, a sound, A equals A, as in apple, B as in ball. Practice tips. Use alphabet songs to memorize the letters easily. Write each letter and say its sound out loud. Watch videos on phonics for beginners. 1.2. Master phonics, the key to reading words. Phonics helps you connect letters to their sounds. This is important for pronunciation and spelling. CVC words, consonant, vowel, consonant. Start with simple words like cat, dog, pen, sit. Blends and digraphs. Learn common letter combinations like shish, sh, t, gar. Silent letters and exceptions. English has many tricky words, e.g. knock, write, comb. Best phonics resources, apps, Duolingo ABC, Starfall, Phonics Hero. YouTube, BBC Learning English, Rachel's English. Step 2, read simple words and phrases. Once you know the alphabet and phonics, it's time to read. 2.1, start with sight words. Sight words are common words you should recognize without sounding them out. Examples, beginner words. I am, he, she, it, the, and to, you, we, they. Everyday words, go, come, eat, play, run, walk, see, jump, sit. Practice tips. Use flashcards to memorize sight words. Play word-matching games online. Read simple sentences like, I am happy. She has a dog. They like to run. Step 3. Read simple sentences and short stories. 3.1. Use graded readers and beginner books. Once you know some words, start reading very simple books designed for beginners. Best books for beginners. The Very Hungry Caterpillar, Eric Carle, for kids, simple words. Oxford Reading Tree, great for step-by-step learning. Dr. Seuss books, fun rhymes make it easier to remember words. Practice tips. Read one short story every day. Listen to an audiobook while reading to improve pronunciation. Read out loud to build confidence. Step 4. Build vocabulary for better reading. 4.1. Learn new words from context. When you see a new word, try to guess its meaning before using a dictionary. Example, the sun is shining and the weather is warm. You can guess that warm means not cold. How to improve vocabulary. Keep a word journal. Write new words and their meanings. Use flashcard apps like Anki, Quizlet. Watch English videos with subtitles and note new words. Step 5. Read different types of texts. 5.1. Read everyday English. Once you're comfortable with basic reading, start reading different types of texts. Menus. Learn food vocabulary. Signs and labels. Helps you in daily life. Messages and social media posts. Learn casual English. 5.2. Read English news and articles. Reading news helps you learn real-life English. Beginner-friendly news websites. BBC Learning English, slow news for learners. News and Levels, news with easy vocabulary. The Guardian, simplified version. Step 6. Improve reading speed and comprehension. 6.1. Read faster without losing understanding. Use a finger or a pen. Move your finger along the words to read faster. Don't stop for every word. Skip words you don't understand and keep reading. Practice timed reading. Read a short text and check how much you understand. 6.2. Answer questions about what you read. After reading, ask yourself, 1. What is the main idea? 2. Who are the people in the story? 3. What happened first, next, and last? Step 7. Advanced reading. Books, blogs, and more. Once you feel confident, challenge yourself with short novels for beginners, Charlotte's Web, Matilda. Blogs and websites. Read about topics you love, travel, food, sports. English forums. Join discussions to improve reading and writing. Final tips to stay motivated. Make reading a habit. Read at least 10 minutes every day. Read what you enjoy. If you love comics, read comics. If you like sports, read sports articles. Track your progress. Keep a list of books or articles you've read. And that is how a beginner can start reading in English. No more struggling with words, just real, fun reading. So, what are you waiting for? Pick up a book and start reading. And remember, subscribe or I'll make you read an entire English dictionary backwards.